Looking for a simple way to refresh your home or office? This oversized white switch plate offers a clean, bright finish that fits most oversized toggle switches perfectly. Its 3.1 by 4.9-inch size covers larger openings, giving your walls a polished, updated look without the hassle. When tackling DIY projects, having the right materials makes all the difference. This switch plate is designed for easy installation, coming with matching screws that blend seamlessly with the white finish. Whether you're replacing old, discolored plates or upgrading new outlets, it's a reliable choice that saves time and effort. What sets this plate apart is its durability. Made from slightly flexible plastic, it resists cracking even when screws are tightened firmly. Plus, it's UL-listed and unbreakable, so you can trust it meets strict safety and quality standards. That peace of mind matters, especially in busy homes or offices. One user shared their experience, highlighting how the bright white color instantly refreshed their space. They appreciated the included screws that matched the plate's color, making installation straightforward. This small upgrade made a noticeable difference without needing professional help or extra tools. If you're considering a quick, effective way to improve your space, this switch plate is worth a look. It fits oversized toggle switches, blends with your existing decor, and stands up to everyday wear. Plus, with easy installation, it's perfect for anyone comfortable with DIY projects. Ready to replace those worn-out or outdated switch plates? This product offers both style and function, backed by industry certification. Whether it's for your home renovation or office refresh, it delivers a clean finish and lasting durability. Try it when you're ready to enhance your space with minimal effort. The combination of quality materials, thoughtful design, and simple installation makes this oversized white switch plate a smart choice for your next project.